Hi, I'm going to show you today why Nvidia rating has improved from B to A. You remember the last video we did an analysis of Nvidia's results and it was rated B, and this time it's rated A after it released its Q1 results. So what are the main improvements that resulted in a A rating this time? Let me share with you. So basically the accounts payable and the asset turnover are the two main factors that helped Nvidia get an A rating this time. Accounts payable improved from D to C and asset turnover from B to A. So if you look at Nvidia, there's no need to say much about the revenue. As you can see, the revenue has continued to improve after the release of Q1 results. Okay, the 2024 here is the trailing 12 months results. Okay, the trailing 12 months. So basically, you can see that the trailing 12 months has continued to go up exponentially, even though there's a slight slowdown. And its margin continued to improve. Amazing, right? Such high margin, and it still improved from 72.7 to 75.3% gross profit margin. That's amazing. And its net margin improved from amazing 54% to nearly 60% net profit operating margin. All right, that is very amazing. That's why it got rated A for revenue, for gross profit, and for operating profit. All right, there's no argument there because they are really superb. So the cash conversion cycle, which I explained earlier, is how long it takes for a company to turn its inventory and sales into cash. Basically, it's still rated B here, which is the same as last time, but there's an improvement here in terms of the accounts payable grade. Okay, so let's you can see here. Okay, let's go through the inventory first. I would like to show you that the Nvidia has actually improve its inventory days for this quarter, which is good, and accounts receivable has increased slightly, but it is still within its historical range in recent years, so I don't think there's much of a concern. It's far below the benchmark. It's just that it's higher than the past, but that's why it's still rated C, but it's quite good. And accounts payable, why is rated C this time? Basically because accounts payable has increased, right? It stopped paying its suppliers too early, and then it definitely helps to improve the cash flow. Then the asset turnover. So if you recall, asset turnover is a measure of how efficiently a company uses asset to generate sales. Because the last time there's only one data point, which is reverse its downwards asset turnover, and it has continued to maintain a very high level here, which is far ahead of the other semiconductor companies. Then the last one is the return on total assets, which is how effectively it uses assets to generate profit. As you can see, it continued to do even better than last time. All right, its ROTA is now amazing 67%. Can you believe it? All right, from a very, very high of 61.7%. So Nvidia really has outsized profits margins. I believe whether it can sustain this kind of margins or not, that is the question now, right? Whether it can sustain such abnormally high profit margin. History tells us that it is very challenging. It's very, very challenging because it's big customers like Microsoft, Google, and all this. They're also coming out with their own chips, their own AI chips, because they know that they are held ransom in a sense by Nvidia because they are the only guys who have this type of chips right now. But so that's why I believe over the long term this kind of high margins could not be maintained, and so how would it impact the share price? I'm not sure. All right, it's likely that the share price may suffer a drop if the growth rate cannot be maintained. Well, it may not drop even. I mean, it may just stay around this level. But I would say that it will not probably do another 8 times increase, right? So the upside from now to for its share price, I believe, okay, my personal opinion is that you'll be much more limited than say a year ago, right? So you just invest with caution. I'm glad that you make it to the end of this video. So if you really enjoy it, please smash the like button. It will encourage us to produce more of same videos for other stocks as well. And please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.